Neeta understood, beta? Yeah, Anita understood,
Yes,
no?
sir, I'm good. Yes, sir, I'm doing it.
Very good, very good. It's cool. So now just make it a little bit of a here for the uh, body. We are making oval like this, one oval shape like this. Okay. So in this oval, you just create this like this. Okay. Here your the t-shirts with things. Okay. Atish understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Viva understood now? Yes. Okay, so now we are going to little bit of design we can put over here. So you can put like here some flower. It is a Japanese or very passionate about the flower. So you can make this like flower over here. So how to do the flower is very easily. I just make one circle. Okay, here, yeah, circle, and then we can make it like this. Okay, like this. So I just created a circle, and here you can make some style. Okay, I just want to make some like this hairstyle, Chinese, Japanese hairstyle, like okay, like this. So this is like this. I show you like this. So it's look like see like this. I just create here the hairstyle, so it looks more unique. Okay, so this is a part of sketching. Okay, so we are going to this, make eyeball the in middle line so dark, and then upper to down little light like this. Okay, hi, yeah, you cannot join class today. Happen, sir. Okay, done. Okay, it's evening time, no? Okay, sure. Thank you, ma'am. Done. So here we are not using some ring. It's Indian, mostly using the ring and all. This is you can make some tattoos kind of things here. They're using this. Okay, it's a your choice. So here you can create one this kind of hairstyle in Japanese. If it's Chinese, then it's just one stick over here, but it's Japanese is like this. So you should know this are different continents. How are what a dress. So if you make to more cute this character, you can just more sharp this line. This more sharp. If you more sharp the chin, it looks more cute. Okay, that is a few tips how you are showing the cuteness of cheek. This is one way. Okay, done, beta. Aryan, right? Yes, I like this name. What's his name? Forward. Divisha. I write down again today. Also, I want to make Divisha. This. Hey Anshika, good morning. Welcome back. Energetic. Well, welcome. Why you late, beta? Let's start. We are starting at 10 o'clock. So it starts the same time. Sorry. So let's start. Okay, beta. So we are going to the next drawings. Once more sketching. So I hope that almost finished this drawing. You just can wait 2 minutes. We can go ahead to the next drawing. Nihita, beta, it is done. Can I share yours?
Yes, I'm just doing the braid.
Wow, that's cool. Yamita, beta, can you share yours? Okay, next 2-3 minutes. Okay, we can. Yeah. Beshti is cool. Is going good. Honestly, wow.
So this is okay.
Yes. It's okay. It's okay. Everyone says good going. Yeah. Your name I forgot. What's your name? Bhivan. Yes. Bhivan, and this the names I need to remember. Bhivan and Devisha. Yeah, Devisha. I am right. The name is Devisha only, right? Yeah, Devisha and Bhivan. Okay, so yes, yeah, Nihita. One thing I want to tell you. This is fantastic. If you make this thing little, this kind of little narrow, it looks more cute, more Japanese. That's it. Otherwise, it's perfect. Okay. And one more thing, this line you are making this fine. So this line also go the same flow. So it's maybe this line coming little straight and this line also straight. It's go little, beta. It will go like this side. Understood, beta? It's not straight. Straight is wrong. It should be go little this side. Then the body start like this. Okay, beta? It will this side. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. You just change this thing. You can put this one also little this side. It is possible. When you do the straight now, it looks very robotic. So it might be little this side. Human head basically. This is always this line. Okay, fine. This is cool. Done.